Hey guys, so as you all know, I've been doing a lot of videos lately and I've been trying to upload daily. And then there was just one day that I missed, and that was because I was a bit sick. But today I'm not sick, so I'm up here. So I'm trying to do this. If you just came across me blabbering 3 minutes a day and everything else. So if you came across this anytime in the future, it's because that we're on a lockdown right now, just reminding everyone. And for me, not to be depressed, not to be I don't know, to be up on my feet. I'm trying to upload videos, at least around 3 minutes of video a day, and then we'll go around five. So I'm trying to keep this daily, and this is becoming more of a necessity for me to do videos now. It may be good, it may be bad, but it keeps me on my feet. That's why I'm doing it. Uh, yeah. So in the next few days, I know this daily uploads is gonna go down anytime soon. Like I'm gonna go lazy of doing it, or I'm gonna get tired of doing it, or I won't have time, or I will get sick. But that's okay. As of now, I'll try to upload daily to keep me up my feet, and then just try to put up recording or something for you guys, for me also in the future. Yeah. So. To recap what happened today, I woke up around 7, so I didn't have much sleep yesterday. I had around 23 hours up, 5 days sleep, 5 day, no, 23 hours up, 5 hours sleep, then 5 hours up. I was doing my assignment, and I had 2 hours of some social media before I went to sleep. And suddenly woke up around 7 a.m. this morning. I was like, whoa, that's cool. Yeah. I was about to run or do something else, but I think my body was not yet good then. I'm fresh. I can go get up, but I decided I'm just gonna take it slow and then let my body, because I will have more assessments to go in the next few days. So I was trying to level up in my power, and then if I wake up early tomorrow, maybe I do a run, do a jog or everything. But as of now, yes, I'm not really sure. Also, for this daily videos, there might be crappy stuff coming out. There might be nonsense or just me saying hi, goodbye, something like that. So I'll just try my best to put up a video. That's just it. That's just for me. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. You can hit the like, well, hit the unlike button twice or something. I don't know. But again, this is just for personal thing. Also, I have a feeling that in the next few days I might get tired of doing this, and there might be a possibility of me getting lazy and not uploading anymore. And for me, that's also okay because that's life. I can do weekly or less, but as of now, I'll try to do it daily just to keep me up on my feet. This afternoon, also, my Tio Ben was buried in Sem Park. He died 2 days ago of COVID, and yeah, he was getting better, and suddenly, yeah, he just had an attack, and he, he's not okay, and then he passed. It's a sad thing. Yeah, he's one of the close uncles that we have. That he's directly a brother to my mother, and yeah, this pandemic has been very tough on us. Last year, my uncle's wife, which is my aunt, also passed away of COVID. She wasn't aware she was getting old, and I'm really scared because my mom also is like, she's weak. She had yeah, she's been to a lot. She has been hospitalized. She had brain surgery, and I don't know. Also, I'm gonna mention one of the people back in the Philippines in the what you call this in the cemetery. I know this person who cleans up those how do you call it, those cemetery things. I don't know. Yeah, I have this person who does take care of graves back home. She even polishes the grave with a coconut husk just to clean them. She's one of the, yeah, people we know, and people who's been there. And I just realized today when my sister told me that she passed away due to COVID. She said she was taking her second dose, but she couldn't breathe. She suddenly had an attack and she passed away. It's sad. I don't know if it's because of the vaccination, or if it was she got COVID or something. But yeah, I feel bad. I'm just gonna think of her also. She's one of those people who just came across my life, my childhood. She was always there in the cemetery whenever we visit. And yeah, her name is Danglita, and yeah, it's yeah, these people. It's like never get. I'm mature enough, but I never get to thank them for helping me or for helping my family. So yep, those are the people who passed away due to COVID. Last mm, month it was my fraternity brother, which was Cyril. So I'm not gonna mention everything, but yeah, it's been sad and it's been tough, and yeah, it's the only way we can keep ourselves together is just to help each other now, and also make sure that our loved ones are safe. So try to vaccinate, try to take care, and everything else. Yeah, I'm really like, I even told my sisters not to go out during the burial. You can just stay in the car because the thing is, my yeah, my mom doesn't have any vaccination on her, and she might not be able to cope with if she get it. I don't want her to get it. But anyway, yeah, that's it. It's been tough, and we've been losing a lot of people, close ones, not so close ones, acquaintances, and everything else. So yeah, it's been tough, but it is what it is, and life goes on. Anyway, got out of my head and got loose out of my track, and now I'm running 6 minutes on my timer. I need to stop now. So yeah, we'll see each other in the next few days. There might be days might not be able to put up videos, and I think that's okay because nobody's asking me to do these videos anyway. So it's just me. But, yeah. But for now, I'm just gonna say, take care, guys, and yeah, pray for the ones who has passed in our lives.